Holly and Millie's Rhymes for Little People.
Guess what, Millie?
What?
I am going to a party today.
You're invited to a party, Holly?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Mm-hmm. I've been to a party for ages.
Wow. You want to come to
Yes,
the party?
please.
Oh, it's a little one. It's tiny. Good things come in small packages.
Oh, look.
Ducks!
Little ducks with little funny feather hats.
Little party hats.
Maybe they're going to the party. You're going to.
Could be. How many ducks are there?
Well, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks.
It's funny you mentioned 5 little ducks. You know, I have a little rhyme that we might want to sing about 5 little ducks. You want to sing it?
5 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 and only 4 little ducks came back.
You sure?
Yeah, just check.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back.
No, wait. We've got to check. 1, 2, 3.
3 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back.
Just 2 of them.
Wait.
1,
2.
like you and me.
Yeah.
2 little ducks went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back.
Oh,
1?
1.
That's not much fun.
No.
A bit lonely. 1.
1 little duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
But, what?
No ducks.
None. No ducks.
None. Zilch. But none of the 5 little ducks came back. That's a bit sad.
Yeah.
What's the mother duck going to do? She sent them all off and now they haven't come back. She's on her own.
Oh, Millie, you know, it's okay. You know, Mother Duck, she is resilient. She is a fighter. She's strong. She's sassy. She gets back out there. You know, even after rejection and rejection and rejection.
Sounds familiar.
Yeah. She gets back out there and she looks for those ducks.
Okay.
Mother duck went out one day, over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 quack.
Oh, I can hear them.
Oh.
And all of the 5 little ducks came back.
And so they had a party.
And there were streamers and balloons and bubbles and they danced.
We're hurting the ducks.
Oh, I didn't mean to hurt the ducks.
And all of the 5 little ducks came back.
We gotta go.
Oh, yeah.
To the
We've got
party.
a party to go to. Bye, ducks.
Bye.
Wait for me.
Hurry up.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like our channel.